Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I got, I got a Happy Meal and it's from Elizabeth Fox. Thank you very much, Liz. I did get it. I'm going to open this. So Liz, thank you so much. So I'm going to open this up. I'll do it carefully. And see what she sent this time. She's always having a clear out and she's always sending me yarn. Try to keep the bag a little bit intact for Muttley. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, you straight up for the bag, can't you? Yeah. And you smell Lizzie's dog. You can smell Lizzie's little dog. You can too. You can too. So she sent me a little card. I'll read that soon. I'll read that soon. And look at this sending style craft. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's more than just that in. Oh, look at that. So pretty. There's a bag for you, Muttley. There's a bag for you. I'm going to open this and we'll give Muttley the bag. And she does this. She puts them in these bags so that Muttley can get a little. Oh, that is so pretty. Looks like raspberries. Now, if my light kind of goes a little strange, it's actually in the evening. It's in the evening, and I normally do my videos during the day, but I'm doing this one in the evening. Look at that! It's so pretty. It is so windy outside, and it's getting cold here in Scotland. That's beautiful. I'll take that out first. We'll put that there, and I've got my little bag. I'm going to give this to Muttley. There you go. Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Where is it? Where's your ball? He was lying there sleeping until I started doing this. It's beautiful. Look at the colours in these. Look at these. Absolutely beautiful. Now it's Stylecraft Special. It's a double knitting yarn. This one, it's a shade number. It says green gauge. Green gauge 1124 is the style number of it for the colour. This one is peony. Peony. That is beautiful and it's really soft. You're right, it is soft, Liz. It is. Liz and I talk to each other all the time through doing. I've gained a lot of friends doing the Happy Meals, and it's it's great. It gives me company as well with some of the people that I've kept in contact with via the Happy Meals, and I've made some lovely friends. Anyway, this is really soft. It's beautiful. I love the colour in it. That is brilliant. There's two of the green and there's two of that peony, and I'm going to pop that down there. I've got my plastic box that's down there that Muttley keeps putting his ball in, taking it out. It's terrible. Oh, this is so pretty. It's so pretty. What's that one? It's one of those ones that I can't say the names. You put that in there just to make me struggle. Oh, she's so funny. She really is, and she talks just like me as well. Look at that. That is beauty. See, I'm not even going to say that one. I'm not going to say that. I'm sure this one's from Turkey. This is beautiful. It's just a colour. It's 55002. It's 100 grams. So were the other ones, and that is 360 meters. That's in that, and it's look at the shades of blue in there. It's quite like one of the ice yarns, but it's not at the same time. If you know, well, obviously it's a different brand. I think it is done in Turkey. This one as well. I think it is. Yeah, made in Turkey. They do amazing yarn in Turkey. Look at that, it's so pretty. That's going to be enough to make a little baby blanket, like a little car seat blanket. And you can't, even one ball of yarn will make a small car seat blanket or one of those little cuddle blankets. So if you just look on Google or Pinterest and just type in like crochet products, crochet projects with just one ball of yarn, and there's loads of ideas in that online, or use your mobile phone if you've got one, or even look through magazines and things, and you can get lots of ideas just to make little small things with one ball of yarn. I'll put that back down there as well, but it's not going to. What you been sending me? She did that already with the other one that we had. She had her crochet. And my goodness, Liz. Now Liz has got a little crochet group. Do you knit as well? Did you tell me if you knitted, Liz? But she's got a little crochet before COVID, before the lockdowns. She ran a little crochet club, and she had a lot of people in it. So this is beautiful. Look at that one. Look at this, is brilliant. James C. Brett lemon, that is beautiful. And I saw your blanket that you were doing in the James C. Brett, Liz. It's beautiful. I did get the picture of it. So this is 100 grams and it's double knitting. James C. Brett, there's no colour on this because James C. Brett only puts numbers on. And this one is 8412. A shade number. He doesn't seem to give his yarn an actual name, and that is absolutely beautiful. It's a top value one by James C. Brett. I'll pop that there and hope it doesn't fall off. I'll put it in my basket. I've got a basket, like a plastic top down here. That is pretty. There's another one, and it's really soft, and it crochets up so well. It crochets up so well. That would make a beautiful hoodie scarf. If you saw one of my latest tutorials, it's a hoodie scarf, and it just shows you that if you're using like value yarns, that you can make some Christmas gifts and birthday gifts for very little cost. And that is a beautiful shade of lemon. Look at that, it's beautiful. I like that. I'll put that down there. And Muttley's going away to sleep. Oh my gosh. Kinko Comfort Chunky. That's so squishy. Look at the colours in that. Do you know what it looks like? If you're in the UK, I don't know if you get these abroad. It's a candy, a sweetie, a sweet. If you're in the UK, sweeties, we call them sweeties. If you're in like some of the other countries, they'll call them candies. And there's one that's called rainbow drops. And these are all the colours that you get in those rainbow drops. That is really pretty. I think when I make something with this, Liz, I'll call it a rainbow drop blanket because that is absolutely lovely. It's beautiful, and it's a chunky yarn. There's 100 grams in it. There's 100 grams, and that tells you to use 6mm UK. If you're in the UK, if you're in the US, it's a number 10. A number 10. Look at that. It's so pretty. Is there a number for this one? Pavlova. It's called Pavlova. This one. It's so pretty. It really is. But I think if I make something with it, I'll call it rainbow drops because that just reminds me so much of those sweeties. But then, no doubt something will turn up on YouTube and it'll already be it'll get called rainbow drops. But never mind. Let's see how quickly that I can crochet something. I've got pieces of plastic on it. That is amazing. Thank you so much, Liz. I'll pop that into my basket. I'll pop that into my basket. I'm going to have this is I'm keeping that for last because she's been crocheting something. Now what she does is Liz sits and she makes up patterns. She makes up patterns. She sends pictures of them to me, and when she gets fed up with it, she just leaves it like that. She wraps it up and then she sends it to me and she says, "You can rip it out if you like." But some of it's really pretty, and I keep telling her, don't give up with it, because the patterns that she comes up with are really, really pretty. They're really pretty. Now this is a style craft special for babies. It's a beautiful blue colour and it's so soft. Thank you so much, Liz. This is beautiful. It really is. And I think that's a different coloured one that's there. And that's really pretty. I really like that. So, oh, it's a beautiful shade for baby boys, isn't it? It's beautiful. It really is. I think I might do some little winter hats. I've got, hang on, if I reach over here, I've got this little hat. I can't say that I don't do any little hats. I've got this. It's a really pretty pink. I'm really sorry about the colour with the light there. This is a really pretty, there we go. This is a really pretty pink. Look at this. This is Blossom chunky yarn, and I made this little pixie type. Do you know what it inspired me? It What inspired me for this is the little girl that's in Despicable Me, and she's got this little type of bright pink, candy pink hat on with the little ear flaps. I'm on the video on doing the ear flap part of it, so I'll pop that back over there. I'll pop that over there. And I don't do, I mean, a lot of people on YouTube will do all the videos showing you what they're making, all their whips and the UFOs or their FOs and their like unfinished or their finished projects that they do. I've just got so many everywhere, and it's a lot easier for me just to do the video on, put the tutorial on. But that is really pretty. I'll pop that one underneath there. And this is a style craft one, and this one is cloud blue. It's cloud blue. It's so soft. It really is. And it's a double knitting yarn, and it's a UK 100 gram. It's 100 grams in this. I mean, in the UK, we go by the weight of the ball, and a lot of the other countries will go by the amount that's in the ball with the length of it. And it doesn't tell you how many. Oh, it does. It's 295 meters. That's 322 yards for this weight of yarn. It tells you to use a 4mm crochet hook. A 4mm is a little bit on. It's not too thin, but it'll be really pretty and dainty. Do you know something? I think it was I did my waffle stitch blanket with something like this one. It was so pretty. I have used this before, and I have used the Stylecraft yarn before. I've done quite a few waffle stitch blankets, and they've been around for a long time, and they're really pretty when you do it with a thinner yarn as well. So I'm going to pop that into my basket, and we'll see what it is that Liz has been making. Look at this. Oh my, why did you not finish this? Come on, Liz. This is lovely. Do you know what? And I can't even continue it because um my tension's different from yours. And you'll see right away. Look at that. That is so pretty. Liz, I don't know why you gave up with this. It's really pretty. That is so nice. I like that. It's came out so delicate as well with that yarn. And if I try to if I try to finish this, then you're going to get a line running along because my tension's different. I would need to use a smaller hook to continue with it, or just start from the beginning again. It's so pretty. Liz, you should have kept going with this one. It's really pretty. Look at that. It's really pretty. And that is Stylecraft with that. So, oh, do you know what? You don't even need to rip that out. I'm not going to rip that out. Do you know what? I am going to finish off that stitch. I'll find out where you've finished. I'll find it. There, it's there. If I take it back, I'm going to take it back one row. Watch this, Liz. We'll take it back one row. Where's my scissors? I'm going to cut that off. cut that off there, a little project. I'll take that stitch out. Now what we're going to do is, I've left enough there to stitch. Now if you do something this length that can go around your neck and it's this wide, what you do, you put it together in half like this. Now take one side and turn it around like that, and then you're going to stitch. I'm going to stitch down there, and it puts a twist in it like that, and you've got yourself a little, you can actually do that more than once, and you've got yourself this little twisted scarf, like a little infinity scarf. And look at that, that'd be great for a little child. Do you know something, I've got a really young neighbour, and I think I'm going to I'm going to give her this and just say, here, look, this, my friend Liz made this. I'll stitch up there, Liz, and it's got that little twist in it, and that's how you make an infinity scarf. And look at that, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. I like that. So I'm going to stitch that in, and that's what I'm going to do with it, Liz. So there you go. It's made a purpose. Rather than tear it out, we've actually made a little thing with it. We'll stitch down there, like I said, and then I'll hand it in a little bag and hang it on the door handle of my neighbour across the street that's got a little girl, and I think she's going to really like that, and it's pretty, it really is pretty. So thank you so much, Liz. Thank you very much for this yarn. It's absolutely beautiful. I really like that. Do you know something, that and that goes pretty as well. It goes pretty. You could do that one and then do that solid colour. If it's roughly the same thickness. Look at that. It's the same thickness as that. It's really, I'm going to hold it up. Put that over there. There you go. It's the same thickness. So you can actually do some of it with that and then do something with that. So I'm going to do that, and then I've got that rainbow stuff that we can do, that little rainbow drops blanket. I'm going to fix this and stitch it up. I'm going to hand that to the little girl that lives across the road. So Liz, thank you so much for this. Thank you so much. Just having a clear out and sending it to me. I really do appreciate it. And everyone, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then please click on the subscribe button. Help me get up to 200,000 subscribers for Christmas. And if you click on the bell icon, then YouTube will alert you when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.